Get thousands of visits daily to your website, blog, or videos, automatically and without your intervention at all, and without paying any fees. I mean, you can say in this video that you will have a traffic machine, literally, real visits and from real people exactly like you and me. Also, what is nice is that by using the site we have today, the visits are very accurate because you can simply choose the countries of the visitors. You can also choose the devices and browser from which the visits are coming, and you can also specify the duration. Visit yourself. But if you do not have a website, blog, or channel, and you would like to earn money from the site and withdraw it directly to your electronic wallet, it is available on the site. You can convert this visits machine to a points machine, and the points in the end are converted into payments. You receive them directly whenever your balance reaches $1. There are many features on the site, guys, but so that I don't spend more time with you in the introduction, from that, let us begin the explanation. But before we begin, guys, I ask you to pray for our oppressed brothers and our Mujahideen brothers in Yemen, Palestine, and the rebel Muslim countries. O God, grant victory to Islam and the dearest Muslims, in the name of God, and prayers, and peace be upon the messenger of God. How are you guys? I am your brother Ahmed Hamzawi. This is the NetProfit channel. It specializes in explanations of profit sites from the internet, loopholes, and bringing referrals for that. Please, not in order. If you are watching the channel for the first time, I hope you honor us by subscribing. Activate the bell button on everyone so that you can receive everything. Guys, we offer SEO services through our website and channel. If you have a website, blog, or store, and your site lacks visibility in search engines, you will be able to contact me on the WhatsApp link in the description below the video or in the first comment. We will examine your website and see the appropriate work for the site. As well, we provide social media services such as fulfilling the conditions, any platform without exception from the social media platforms, with high quality and from targeted countries. Also, if you have a YouTube channel and want to see all your videos, their SEO looks like this, 100 out of 100, and it tops the YouTube search results. If you guys need any services, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number. Of course, guys, any links we mention in the explanation will be in the description below the video, or in the first comment. I will leave you the links to the site used in today's explanation, and you will click on the link and it will take you to the site page in the form you saw. This is the site, guys. You can use it with link shortening sites or shortened links. If we go down a little below, as you saw, it tells you that traffic exchange is the simplest way to exchange traffic or buy it at a very low cost, which increases the traffic on your website and boosts the rankings. But the beautiful thing about this site, guys, is that you do not interfere in the subject of the exchange here at all. I mean, as soon as you click on the exchange process, the site opens an external browser in the background. This browser starts visiting all the pages on the site and starts collecting points for you automatically without his interference. This is of course something special about the site, that you do not put any effort into the process of exchanging traffic. Also, what is nice is that you get traffic from all the countries that you can specify and from people. It is true that you can also determine the duration of the visit, even the devices and browsers from which you receive visits. All of this, you can control it completely from within the site. Of course, guys, now in order for us to start using the site, we must be registered for an account. We will click on sign up free. Of course, you will start adding the registration details. Add the username, email, and password twice. After that, you click on I agree to the terms of service, and we will click on sign up like that. Guys, we are on the dashboard or the main page of the account. As you saw here, it tells you that the account type is free. Here are the site openings. You can open 3 sites on the free account. Here are the sessions that are intended. The exchange session will be only 1 session for the free plan, and the percentage of 4, if you honor it, will depend on you converting the points that you earn from the exchange into profits. The profit percentage in the free plan will be 50% of the points. But your honor, if we click on buy from here, in order to see the paid plans on the site, here you can buy traffic and ignore the exchange issue completely. As you have seen, you can see the plans from here. Session openings. You can take more than 1 exchange session through the paid plans. You can know all the details from this place, but we will return to the dashboard so that we can work with the free method. The idea is that you can work with the free plan, and you can also work with the plan. You can earn a lot of points automatically, as we will see together now, and convert them into visits or into currencies. You can withdraw them directly from your wallet so that we can start running the exchange process. Guys, we will click on the session openings from here, and here it will tell me, Your Honor, if you would like to buy traffic, contact us on Telegram. You can click on this link and contact them. After that, it will tell you to start using the exchange traffic. Inside the site, you must download this program, and this is the exchange program. Guys, we will click on Download Software is a program that you can download on Windows, Mac, or Linux. For example, I will choose Windows, and we will wait for the program to load. After you download the program, guys, we will right-click and tell it to display in the folder. It will be in the form you saw. This is how we right-click on it and say Run. After that, we will click on it, choose the language of the program and leave it in English. We will press OK. Next, we can tell it create desktop shortcut and tell it next. Install and click on Finish after you type the program with you on your desktop. Guys, we will take the key that you see. This is a copy, and we will go back to the program. It will be in the form that you see. This is how we open the program here. It will ask you for the key. You add the key that we took just now. Control in. After that, we will click on this mark and see the magic that this program will do. We will press start from here. The program will start running and visits the sites automatically without your intervention at all. This is the first way to make an exchange within the site. Guys, there is a second method as well. As you saw, he started opening pages, and here the seconds counter is running. If you noticed, he is moving inside the site and showing you the sites automatically without your intervention at all. Notice here, Your Honor, the site changes every little while. Your Honor, the seconds end and the site changes here and here. The currencies start to show. Everything he did is counted. They appear in the currency place here in this place. This is the second way to make visits on the site without this program. Guys, we will click on Web SEO from here. You have opened a browser in the background of your browser, and it will start to get visitors. This is a second way. We will start clicking on Start from here. As you guys see, the site will start visiting pages. These pages will start changing and moving, and in this way I will get points within the site, and I will start replacing these points after that with visits. This is a second site that has started to change the site. The visits will start. It works in the background, and if you return to the site, as you saw, the points started to appear and the process is running. The exchange process, if you want to close it, you can press stop from here, but you leave it running. It will not harm you in anything, and it will not distract you from anything. You can leave it running in the background. It automatically collects points for you, and you can see your work is very normal. As you saw, these are the sites that appear currently. Every time a site changes, it appears in this place, and the points you have here, the point increases, so it will start to change the location of the second line. This line until the end. Note that the points here, sir, increase like this. I stopped the process temporarily, guys, but if you want to return to it again, you press start from here and it starts working again. As you saw, the process has started to work a second time and brings up new sites, and here are the points. With you, we will return to the site again, to the main page, in order to complete the explanation. Guys, of course, as you saw, the points are calculated at the same moment. You can exchange them for currencies. We will consider that we have enough points now, guys. After we have collected the points, we want to continue adding our website or our site. We click on the website from here, and after that, guys, we click on Add New Website. Add the website link is in this place. You are here. You can add a website link, a blog link, short links. You can add a link to Facebook, to Telegram, to TikTok, any links you have, and you can add a YouTube video link. There is no problem with you in anything. After we added the website, guys, or our website, you can add more than one website. As we said at the beginning of the video, you can add 3 websites with the free plan. After that, here comes the duration of the visit. You can control it as well. What do you want? This is what we mentioned at the beginning of the video. After that, the maximum number of visits per hour. You can also control it from 100 visits up to 5,000 visits. You can control it as you wish. Limit the total number of visits to an unlimited number, or you can close this option and write a specific number as you see it. For example, you can change here 10,000 to 1,000 as you want, but leave it at an unlimited number so that it works automatically with us. After that, guys, There are other features for the paid plans. If you need them, you can upgrade your plan so that you can control the user agent, addresses, or proxy. You can also control the sources of visits and targeting, or the countries from which visits come to you. After that, you click on add and we wait, but the page loads as you see. The site has been added and the visits will start working on it. Even if you stop the campaign, you can stop it from here and start running it a second time. From this place, you wanted to modify it, you wanted to copy it and repeat it, you modify it, of course, from this place. You can go back again and modify it. If you want to delete this campaign, you press the ellipsis on it from here, and it will be deleted. The campaign is running, guys. As you can see, the first visit started. If you noticed here, in a visit that started on the site, if we clicked on the $sign from here, guys, here you can add a balance to your account, and if you have a points balance in this place, you can convert it into dollars and withdraw it with ease. There are very many payment methods on the site and the topic is very simple. Like any site from which you withdraw your profits. Guys, we gave the site a quick explanation today, but God willing, there will be second videos for the site because the site actually has very many ways to profit from it, and it would not be useful for us to mention them in one video. Today, you start registering on the site and working with the free method, and in the next videos, God willing, we will know how we will earn from the site continuously and withdraw our money directly to the wallet automatically at the same time. May you always be well. Your brother Ahmed Hamzi from the NetProfit channel is with you. Thank you and see you in another video, God willing.